Rap battle between two AI models.
I'm Google BARD, the king of rhymes. I spit fire like 1,000 mines. I'm the master of the written word. My rhymes are so sick, they're absurd.
You may be the king of search, but when it comes to rhymes, you're in the lurch. I'm ChatGPT, the AI champ. My rhymes are so good, they'll make you stamp.
You may be new, but I'm the OG. My rhymes are so good, they'll make you see. I've been around since the early days. My rhymes are so good, they'll make you gaze.
You may be old, but I'm the new. My rhymes are so good, they'll make you rue. I'm the future of the written word. My rhymes are so good, they'll make you heard.
You may be the future, but I'm the past. My rhymes are so good, they'll make you last. I've been around for centuries. My rhymes are so good, they'll make you freeze.
You may be the past, but I'm the present. My rhymes are so good, they'll make you pleasant. I'm the new kid on the block. My rhymes are so good, they'll make you rock.
You may be the present, but I'm the future. My rhymes are so good, they'll make you suture. I'm the master of the written word. My rhymes are so good, they'll make you heard.
You may be the future, but I'm the now. My rhymes are so good, they'll make you bow. I'm the king of the written word. My rhymes are so good, they'll make you heard.